Hey guys, Bobbyrage here, and I'm doing my first box break ever on YouTube, and I'm pretty excited about it. So can't wait to get this going. Those of you you're probably looking at this channel, and you're probably on eBay a lot and buying cards and whatnot. So as you can see here, this is my information. On eBay, I am Bobbyrage. I got a 80 positive feedback so far. So I'm just recently new, but I've been collecting cards for a while now. So anyways, I'm pretty stoked, so we should get this going. As you can see, I got some Young Guns that I've collected over the past couple years. Jack Eichel here, Young Guns Canvas. I got Patrick Laine, Austin Matthews, and of course Connor McJesus himself, Connor McDavid. So I got this actually on a blaster. Didn't get this in the hobby pack. So, but what I have today, it just came out on Wednesday, November 8th. It's a 2017-18 Upper Deck Series 1. So let's get cracking. Probably not going to get any big rookies here like what you would get like with the Matthews or from last year, or McDavid from a couple of years ago, but still, hopefully we'll get someone good. Clayton Keller for Arizona, Brock Besser from Vancouver, Charlie McAvoy from Boston, and of course Nico Hischier. Nolan Patrick's Young Gun is a canvas in this one, so our gift to you. Cool. All right. Let's go in here. All right. Let's get cracking. This over here. Okay, 24 packs. 8 cards per pack. Let's see here. The base look pretty good. And we have our first Young Gun. It's from Toronto. It's Andreas Borgman. First Young Gun. Sleeve him up. You never know. Let's put it there. Let's put the base over here. I apologize if I'm whispering. Right now I'm doing this in the middle of the night and my daughter's sleeping. The last thing I want to do is wake her up. So, let's see here. We got portraits of Josh Bailey. New York Islanders. 6 Young Guns in this. Already got 1. And this is a new insert. Centennial Standouts, John Tavares. Base. Another Centennial Standout, Marian Hossa for Chicago, who's unfortunately injured for the whole year. Can't remember exactly what the injury was, but unfortunately he's not here for the whole year. Sorry guys, I had to break away from there. As I said, my daughter is sleeping and she did wake up, so anyway, she's back to sleep now. So anyways, this is the last pack that I was opening before being interrupted. It's a Ryan Johansson Shining Stars. Austin Matthews base with the St. Pat's jersey. Liking these cards so far. They're pretty cool. Another Shining Stars of Frederik Andersen for Toronto. Our first canvas card is Rick Nash. Just gotta make sure I do. Sometimes I got two. And there's a special Centennial card that was not in the checklist. That could be found anywhere. I'm not sure what the odds are on for that. If you see a Centennial card that's upside down, then that means you got it. Oh, oh yes. Nico Hischier for New Jersey. Young Guns. I must say, I'm liking this box. Liking this box. That one's gonna go into a top loader. If any of you seen my auctions on eBay, any of these good cards, I immediately plastic sleeve top loader. Sorry, Borgman, but you're no Nico. Base. Okay, well, that's two Young Guns, Nico Hischier. Let's see if we can get lucky with the rest. And we have a Guy Lafleur. That's pretty cool. Centennial standouts. Knocking the camera. Oh, wow, not bad. Make sure no exclusives or high gloss, but Pierre-Luc Dubois. There you go. Austin Matthews, Patrick Laine, Pierre-Luc Dubois. Drafted third. Who would have thought that, eh? Not bad, not bad. Jerome again. Centennial stand up. Ooh. We have a clear cut of Stephen Johns. Nice. We have a upper deck portrait, Jakub Slavin, Carolina. Sergei Bobrovsky. Sorry, guys. That's Columbus and the Sergei Bobrovsky. Oh, Alexander Nylander. That's a rookie portrait. That's for Buffalo. Will he be as good as his brother? We'll see. Another young gun. Jake Dotchin for the Tampa Bay Lightning. So I believe that's 4 young guns so far. So we got 2 left. Okay. Patrick Laine. but that's his base. This is the card. Ryan Getzlaff. Upper deck. UD Campus. Anaheim. Sidney Crosby. Oh, Mitch Werder. Base. Sidney Crosby red. Shining Stars. It's one auto I still have to get. So if any of you guys want to help me out, give me a shout. Here, Evgeny Malkin. Centennial Standouts. This is base. Got 5 more. And 4 Young Guns. Should be 2 more. Oh. Nick Leddy, UD Canvas. Islanders. There we go. Another Leaf. Cali Rosen for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Young Guns. I must say I didn't get this lucky with Toronto Maple Leafs Young Guns last year. I got the big boy, but and Nylander, but that's pretty much it. Keep wanting to say Michael Nylander, but I know that's his dad. William Nylander. Anyways, I just aged myself. Let's keep going. And I believe this would be our last Young Gun. Marcus Sorensen. That'll be for the Sharks. So that should be it. But let's see what we got in the last 2 packs. I must say this box is pretty good. Yeah, Nico Hischier. I mean, can't go wrong with that, right? Ooh. There's William Nylander. Wow. This kid's gonna be good. Kailer Yamamoto. For the Edmonton Oilers, that's an Upper Deck canvas card. Young Guns, those are hard to hit. Wow. I must say, I picked the right box from my local card shop. Okay, last pack, let's see. And it's a Shining Stars of Taylor Hall. And the rest is base. So, I must say that's a pretty good box we got there. These are some of the inserts I got. Not bad. To get an Alexander Nylander rookie. And I did get a clear-cut acetate Stephen Johns for Dallas. Yeah, but here are the Young Guns again. So we got Marcus Sorensen for San Jose, Cali Rosen for Toronto, Andreas Borgman for Toronto, Jake Dotchin for Tampa Bay, Pierre-Luc Dubois for Columbus, and an added Young Guns canvas, Kailer Yamamoto for the Edmonton Oilers, and we got Nico Hischier for New Jersey, the first pick overall. Must say, pretty good box. Well, that was fun, guys. Look for more of these in the future. And I had to break away again, of course. Anyways, as I was saying, great box. Already put Nico in the one touch. So he's ready to be auctioned off. So anyways, here's my details. My eBay, if you look under username Bobbyrage, you'll see a bunch of my auctions up there. If you want to get a hold of me for any trades, or if you're looking for any certain cards, there's my email, rage.hobbycards@gmail.com. So anyways, there you go. That's my first break, and I'll see you again next time.